Okay. I don't think y'all are ready for this. Hey, cariño, I'm Nemesis. Welcome back to my channel. Whew, we got a good one today, y'all. But before we even get into the video, I mean, we all know we're about to talk about Beyonce's hairline. So I guess in honor of us talking about Beyonce's hair care, the song of the week goes out to Beyonce. Yeah. Let's take it back to 10 years ago when this lady literally changed the music industry, at least in this fucking country. When she dropped Beyoncé, the self-titled album, and shook us all. She said, "World stop. Carry on." We all remember where we were standing when that happened. At least I do. Well, the song of the week goes out to Blow by Beyonce. A true masterpiece, if I say so myself. Blow is such an underrated song. Jesus fucking Christ. What an absolute masterpiece. I mean, that whole album was just some of the best work that I've ever listened to in my life, and that song holds a special place in my heart. We all know what it's about, and I think we need more songs about that, honestly, truly. Okay, let's carry on. All right. We all know what we came here to do. We are gonna talk about Beyonce's new hairline, CÉCRED. First of all, I love the name. I really do love the name. At first I didn't get it because I'm dumb and I was reading the name like CÉCRED. And then I heard how it's actually supposed to be pronounced, and I was like, oh, that makes sense because sacred, you know, like hair rituals are sacred. So as y'all saw, I got an entire box. I would lift it again to show it to y'all, but y'all already saw it. That shit is big as fuck. It's heavy and I'm not gonna do it. Other than all the products that we're gonna go through, everything that is included in this crazy ass hairline. But there's also this mysterious folder. Sorry, I already opened it, so I just had to laugh. All right, there's a mysterious folder that comes with the PR box, which, okay, I think it's very insane and very crazy that I received this PR box, because when the brand came out, I was convinced that they were gonna be very stingy with who they sent PR packages to. I thought they were gonna be like exclusive for like the biggest creators or like the most popular like poppin' girls, celebrities, blah, blah, blah. And when they asked me for my address, I was like, me? Joe? I mean, I guess you can send me stuff. Ooh. Listen, and again, I thought it was gonna be then, okay, like they're probably gonna send me like 2 or 3 of the products. When this crazy box showed up at my doorstep, I was like, huh? Me? I still couldn't believe it until I opened it and I was like, I guess this is happening. Anyways, let's get to this crazy folder. Beyonce, girl, what the fuck is this? Oh, they're not together in a magazine, by the way. These are all separate pieces of paper. Usually when you receive a PR box for a launch or whatever it is, honestly, but especially for launches, you get the products and there's usually either like a little magazine or I don't know, or like a little insert card that tells you the details of the products. There's photos of the models. Never in my life have I ever received just separate, like, what? Full pages? I haven't actually read all of these pages, but they basically talk about what the brand is. They explain in intrinsic detail what each product is supposed to do. They talk about ingredients. It's a lot, honestly. And the picture that really gagged me, that really got me like, is this for real? It was this one. Why did she send me? I mean, I guess when you're Beyonce, you can just send a picture of yourself and it's gonna be fine. Like, it's okay. I thought this was very funny. Anyways, look at her in all her glory. And then in the back of the picture, there's a little note. Oh my God, this is her hand. Is this her handwriting? Then we got pictures of the entire hair care line. It's just so fucking beautiful, my guy. And there's a picture of the models. Look at this girl, so pretty. Look at the other girls, yay. Slay the house down. Boo. See, like, what am I supposed to do with this, girl? I don't want to throw it out because it's so beautiful. Like, I feel like I should frame all of these and just make wall art. Look at this. Okay, I spoke way too much about this stupid folder. Let me actually now show you the product. First, I'll do a little mention of each one. All right, first we have a clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. Packaging, crazy. Insane, what is this, Art? Second, we have a hydrating shampoo. Third, we have a moisture sealing lotion. Again, packaging. Oh, I love this. I love this little ball thing. Oh. Next, we have a nourishing hair oil. Packaging, come on, bro. So, okay, next we have a moisturizing deep conditioner. Fifth, we have the reconstructing treatment mask. And this is technically the last hair product. This is the fermented rice and rose protein ritual. This one I didn't take out the box because I quickly realized that it's not a bottle. These are treatment packet. It's a 2-step treatment and it has 4 uses in one box. This is what they look like. Step 1 and step 2. And the reason why I said that's technically the last product is because there is a 7th thing. Oh my god. But it's not a product. It's a tool. Let's call it that. This, let me just show it to you. Nozzle. Oh my god, this is so big. It should look like a water bottle. But this is actually the bottle that you put these treatments in and shake it, and then you use this to put this all over your hair. All right, and that's the entire CÉCRED line. For the next portion of the video, we're gonna do a little test, of course. We're gonna try the products, but I'm obviously not gonna be able to use all the products in one video. It's literally impossible. I don't know if you noticed, but there is not a single styling product here. This is all to maintain and reconstruct hair that is usually styled with heat, which makes sense because when we think of Beyoncé, what do we think of? Her hair always looks beautiful, shiny, healthy, blah, blah, blah. So it makes sense that her hairline is dedicated to that, to maintaining the health of your hair while you're heat styling it. For that reason, I have this inkling that I should just use the products to straighten my hair, but I don't really want to straighten my hair today. I want to keep it, you know, curly. So I just want to see how the products work if I were to style my hair regular, curly, wavy. I think I'll be able to use almost everything with the exception of the moisture sealing lotion, because from what I read, honestly, this is used to blow dry your hair because it's supposed to like lock moisture while you apply heat to it. It's like one of those like heat activating products. So I don't think this would benefit me if I'm just going to diffuse my hair. And I don't think I'm gonna use the reconstructing treatment mask either because I want to use this instead. And I mean, protein treatments are very popular amongst the curly hair community, so I mean, why not? Why not use this one? I haven't done a protein treatment in so fucking long. Holy shit. Literally all of these products need to be used in the shower, so I guess that's where we're headed, girl. With the exception of the oil, of course, but we'll use this at the end. Anyways, let's head into the motherfucking shower, okay? See ya there. Hey, welcome back to my shower. Damn, not 2 videos back to back in the shower. That's crazy. Anyways, let's get this started. In preparation for this wash day, I did oil and detangle my hair last night, so we're going straight to shampooing. As I mentioned, CÉCRED offers 2 types of shampoo, a hydrating one and a clarifying one. But since I clarified last week, I'm opting for the hydrating shampoo today. First thing I noticed about this damn shampoo is that you need the strength of 1,000 gods to actually squeeze product out of this bottle. I was fighting for my life in there, and this is all the product I could actually get out. But the second thing I noticed was the scent. Wow, okay, delicious. It's warm, musky, some good old sandalwood in there. Ugh, just delicious. Now, after adding some water and working it on my scalp, it quickly lathered up and it felt super creamy. I did want a little bit more, so here I am summoning the strength of the Hulk to get it out. Look at the dent it left. That's fucking crazy. Aside from the not so practical packaging, the formula itself felt so nice and luxurious to use. The scent, the texture, the richness, it gets a 10 out of 10 from me. It's one of those shampoos that has so much packed hydration and slip, you can just detangle your hair with it. It kind of reminded me a little bit of the Living Proof Curl Shampoo. Oh, and on top of that, it's also silicone, sulfate, phthalate, and paraben free. Oh, and color safe as well. So yeah, pretty solid ass shampoo. Okay, now on to the interesting part. Let's test out this fermented rice and rose protein ritual. In order to use this, Beyoncé was kind enough to send me the ritual shaking vessel, which holds up to 24 ounces of liquid. This is huge. To prepare the protein ritual, we gotta fill up the shaking vessel with 24 ounces of warm water and pour in the first step of the ritual, the fermented rice and rose protein powder, which I opened up like a wild animal but quickly noticed that it smells like candy. The description says it smells of floral and yuzu notes, but I don't know, I smelled candy. Anyways, now we gotta shake this thing until the powder is fully dissolved, and not gonna lie, I was getting shake weight flashbacks. Oh, the 2000s, what a time. Anyways, after checking, I noticed the powder was very much not dissolved at all. Maybe the water wasn't warm enough, I don't know, or maybe they should have included a bottle shaker ball in there to make it easier. Beyoncé, just give me a call, girl. I have so many suggestions on how to make all this damn packaging more practical for users. Anyways, now we basically
gotta pour the prepared rice treatment over the head and saturate the hair as much as possible with it. By the way, if you've never heard of rice water for hair, it's basically a fermented treatment that offers tons of benefits for strengthening hair strands so they keep growing longer without breakage or damage. I made a video last year where I made my own rice water and shared the process and results with y'all, just in case you're curious to check that out. You know, shameless plug. Anyways, this specific treatment though is also boosted with biotin, honey, rose, and aminos. After emptying the entire damn bottle on myself, the directions say to leave it on for 5 minutes, so that's what I did. Here's a close-up of how my hair looked with the rice water on. It felt a bit stiff and hard, so that scared me. I'm always very careful with protein treatments because protein overload is very much a thing and it's not cool. But after those 5 minutes passed, I rinsed it all off and my hair started feeling normal again. And thank God, because I was already thinking of how the hell was I gonna sue Beyoncé. Anyways, on to step 2 of the ritual, the silk rinse. Once again, struggling to open the damn packaging, bro, I'm tired. The directions say to empty the entire packet and rake the product through your strands. This is supposed to bring moisture back into your hair and is infused with a blend of oils to add softness and shine. It felt very nice, went through my hair like butter, and once again I had to leave it on for 5 minutes. While I was waiting, I kept going back and forth on whether I should use the moisturizing deep conditioner or not. The directions of the protein ritual don't really specify, but I ended up deciding on skipping the conditioner altogether. But I will show you how it looks and feels like, and just how I suspected, that shit is thick. Okay, so yeah, I think I made the right call. I have fine wavy hair that can get easily weighed down by too much moisture, and the second step of the protein ritual already had a lot of slip and oils, so yeah, I was good. I will of course give it a try on my next wash day or anytime I need a thick and juicy hair mask, you know, but for now I was so ready to get out the damn shower. So after 5 minutes were up, I rinsed out the silk rinse and my hair went back to feeling very much balanced. It didn't feel stiff or too slippy. It was just right. And that's it, girly. I'm so ready to get the fuck out of here. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.
All right, and we're back. All right, I got out of the shower. I styled my hair as usual. What did I use? Bounce Curl, because I can't stop using Bounce Curl. Listen, if it works, it works, you know? And well, right now, these are my results so far. We still have one last product from CÉCRED to try on this video, and that is the hair oil. Right now, this is my hair without breaking this tiny little cast that I have left over from the gel. Let me zoom you in. So I just wanted to point out that my hair is incredibly fucking shiny right now. That was my biggest takeaway while I was styling my hair. What the fuck? Sorry, I don't know why the camera just did that. That was my biggest takeaway. My hair feels very soft and it looks very, very shiny without any hair oil on it. Did the protein treatment do anything else other than that? So far, I don't know. My hair feels good. That's all I can say. Now let's use the little nourishing oil to break the cast so we can see the final results. All right, let's open this up. Beyoncé girl. Why was I expecting a dropper? I don't know what I was thinking, but I thought maybe underneath this cap there would be a little dropper so that I could just, you know, but no, it's similar to the Olaplex hair oil that everybody has mixed feelings about. Do I just, no. Can I remove this? Oh my God. The struggle with the packaging continues. But even then it's, bitch, hold on. Okay, there we go. See, do you even see that? See, there's that little dropper. Ooh, she's out. Okay, all right, okay. The oil feels very lightweight, nothing too thick. It smells so fucking good, man. It has that signature CÉCRED scent that is in basically all the products. So it says it's formulated with 13 oils. It's a lot of oils. You know, for it being 13 whole fucking oils in there, it feels very lightweight. Like this is nice. This feels very, very nice. And that scent, oh my God. I need it as a hair perfume or as a regular perfume. It smells absolutely delicious. And we are done. Yay! This routine felt so long to me, like in real time. I know in the video it's gonna look pretty quick, but in real time I felt like that took very fucking long. And we just used 3 products in total out of the 6. I'm sorry. I thought I was gonna be able to use at least 4. If I were to have used the moisturizing deep conditioner as well, I feel like I was gonna definitely over moisturize my hair and then this whole video would have been a fucking waste of time. I stand by what I said at the beginning of the video before I had even tried the line. This was almost specifically made for people who heat style their hair. You know, people who straighten their hair with a blow dryer or a curling iron or a straightener or rollers, you know, that type of shit. But for people who just want to keep like their natural curls and just diffuse, that's it. I mean, it's okay. If you are someone who likes to wear their hair natural most of the time, you probably don't need any of this. Especially not the protein treatment, or I'm guessing this reconstructing mask. I'm sure you're not gonna need anything like this. Her basics are very beautiful. The shampoo, chef's kiss, I really liked it. Did I struggle to get it out the fucking bottle? Yes. Because why was that so hard? The clarifying shampoo, I will have to try on a different date. I'm sorry. And the oil, I mean, the oil is beautiful. But honestly, nothing from the line is like, you need this. You don't need any of it. You really don't. I mean, if you are a wavy curly that likes to straighten their hair monthly or like bi-week, and then you want to make sure that when you break back your curls they're gonna be juicy and healthy and beautiful and shiny, then yes, I mean, by all means. And anyways, honestly, it was fun. It was fun using the line. It's a fun array of products. I hope that wasn't underwhelming. Please, Lord. I will probably post about the rest of the products that I didn't try on my Instagram and on my TikTok, so follow me there. Anyway, that's it, my loves. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. I love you so much. You're a motherfucking real one. Yeah. Let me know down below what y'all thought about this. Like, does this seem like it's worth it to y'all? Did Beyonce even have any business coming out with a hairline, in your opinion? Keep it cute, keep it classy, or just say hi, babes, because you know I'm always down to be like, hey, what's up? If you want to follow up with me between uploads, please follow me on Instagram at NemesisMario6 or on TikTok at NemesisMarie_06. But baby, most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binary, please do me a favor and have a great motherfucking day. Okay? Bye!